Hello guys, in this video we want to learn what is the difference between the .NET Core and .NET Framework. What is .NET Core? .NET Core is a free, open source, a general purpose development platform for developing modern cloud-based software applications on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS operating systems. It operates across several platforms and has been modernized to make .NET fast, scalable, and modern. What is .NET Framework? .NET Framework is a development framework that is used to build and run various software applications on Windows. This framework is made up of tools, programming languages, and libraries that help in building applications. .NET Framework is designed, developed, and managed by Microsoft. The first version was released in the year 2022. Now, let's see together the big differences between .NET Framework and .NET Core. Based on the history, you might think that there is no differences between .NET Framework and .NET Core, but that's really not true. For better understanding, let's go through the areas that differentiate .NET Framework and .NET Core. The first is performance and scalability. In terms of performance and scalability between .NET Framework and .NET Core, the former is the winner. It allows you to seamlessly enhance app performance without any hardware. The .NET Framework trails behind in performance. It doesn't come up with much flexibility, security, and speed. The next is applications types. .NET Core is a lot more flexible when it comes to deployment. Developers can instantly update the existing version to the latest one with new directories without any disturbance. The .NET Framework allows you to deploy apps only on the Internet Information Center. Developers can also copy the files into the directory where they are ready to execute using Xcopy deployment.